My daughter, Amelia, just turned 4 years old. She's getting bigger. She's a feisty girl with a lot of opinions about what she likes and doesn't like. And really, she was outgrowing her toddler bed from the crib. This room served as a nursery since Noah was born, my son, and that meant starting from scratch. We literally sold all of the old furniture, which was good because we could use that money toward the new room, and gave her an amazing new space in the smallest room in our house, which is about 70 square feet. Credit can go to my husband for suggesting a loft bed. It makes a lot of sense because then you gain all of that space underneath to play, and we could really use that as our starting point for the design of the room. Then we built a slim closet that goes all the way up to the ceiling, and we could kind of see what else we had to play with. And it turned out there was room for a tiny little desk nook, and then of course lots of lounge space underneath for her to read and enjoy. The bed is from Loft, which was super high-end, but it's an amazing piece, and to me that was worth it to spend the money on a piece that would really anchor the room. And then we kind of made the rest of our budget work by shopping at HomeSense for the decorative accessories and art and storage. Okay, Amelia, what's your favorite thing about your new big girl room?
Rainbow ladybug.
Why do you like the rainbow ladybug?
Because it's rainbow.
There's a cute little mirror with some shelves, lots of fun storage bins and baskets that bring in just texture and pattern and a little bit of color that I love. And she's got lots of cushions also to lounge around because she loves reading books. I had a beautiful wallpaper in the nursery, but we just felt like it was time for a change to give the room a different tone. And to be honest, you know, when you're the second child, you get everything hand-me-down, including many times the design of a room. So this was something which she did contribute to. I did show her about 10 different wallpapers. She likes polka dots. I just realized I'm wearing a polka dot dress as I talk about polka dots. Maybe it's like a mother, daughter thing. So I think she loved that about the wallpaper. And then we have some polka dot bedding as well. There's a dot pattern on this area rug and also, you know, a circular motif in the Capiz shell chandelier as well. So some repetition, which is always great in design. When you think about investment, what it did for us to convert this room from a toddler room to, we call it her big girl room, really means that we can be comfortable and stay in our small house longer. Creating space in a small house, when you're in a real estate market where it's expensive to buy something new, it's like, how can we maximize the space and make a better quality of living in our current square footage? She loves it. She loves it. My son loves it. They're both coming in here to be under the loft bed or climb up and down. I mean, the one thing I will warn all parents is if you buy a loft bed or a bunk bed, there's going to be things that come flying over the edge and games of dangling toys and things over the edge. But, you know, I mean, they're both having a blast, so that's great.